Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself. So we have done the MCQs and question answer, and today we will do the remaining book exercise. But before starting the video, I will ask you to kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you can get the video whenever we will upload the video. So let's move toward your book. You have to solve the things on your book whatever I will direct you. ठीक है, जो मैंने आपको बताऊंगी कि आपने ये बुक पे करना है, so you have to solve that on book. और जो मैं आपको कहूँगी कि आपने नोटबुक पे करना है, so you have to solve this on your notebook. So let's move toward your book. Everything is present in your resource pack. I will read from your resource pack and see what happened. So open your page number 35. Take out your pencils. The first thing is you have to. So I hope you all have take out your pencil. So let's start from the first thing. It's working with the words. So talk about the pictures given below. Who is doing work? Here are some words to use. ठीक है, आपकी बुक पे थोड़े से words लिखे हुए हैं, 8 words बने हुए हैं और 7 pictures बनी हुई हैं. So you have to tell that what is who is doing what. So the one is playing. Who is playing? The girls are playing. ठीक है, तो let's start from the very first. Arif is catching a fish. The girls are playing in a garden. Parveen is reading a book. Mother is calling someone to talk to them. Seema is buying a pair of shoes. Mr. Khan is driving a jeep. ठीक है, तो ये आपने क्या करना है, you have to write this on your notebook. So next one is look at the pictures again, give short answers. You have to do this on your notebook as well. So the first is Arif catching a fish? Look at the picture. Is Arif catching a fish? Yes, Arif is catching a fish. So the next is, so you have to answer this on your notebooks. Next is, are the girls bringing a cup of tea? क्या आप गर्ल्स को देखें, क्या जो है वो सेकंड पिक्चर में कप ऑफ टी ला रही हैं? नो, दे आर नॉट. ठीक है, वो क्या कर रही हैं? दे आर प्लेइंग. नेक्स्ट इज मदर पोस्टिंग अ लेटर? क्या जो मदर है वो लेटर पोस्ट कर रही है? सी, नो, शी इज टॉकिंग ऑन अ फोन. डी इज मिस्टर खान ड्राइविंग अ कार? नो, ही इज नॉट ड्राइविंग अ कार बिकॉज इट्स अ जीप. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज लर्निंग अबाउट लैंग्वेज, पेज नंबर 36. So naming words for the people. So what are naming words? You know, naming words क्या होते हैं? Nouns होते हैं, name होते हैं. ठीक है, nouns होते हैं जो कि name होते हैं किसके? Person के. तो they are naming word for people. Read these sentences. Sarah is a girl. Grandma is a woman. Tom is a boy. Mr. Khalid is a man. The word in italic are naming words. Italic कैसे कहते हैं? जो हमारे पास ये कर्सिव में लिखा हुआ है ना, these are italic words. The words in italics are naming words. They are the name of the people. So next is find the naming word for the people in the following. ठीक है जी. So what you have to do, number one is Ahmad and Majid climb the hill. Ahmad and Majid जो है वो क्या है? Naming words है, नाम है किसी इंसान का. ठीक है, जो person के name होते हैं वो कहते हैं naming words for people. They go to the house for their friend Sam. Sam is the naming word. नेक्स्ट इज इन द आफ्टरनून सैम टेक्स अहमद एंड माजिद फिशिंग. तो इसमें सैम, अहमद और माजिद जो है वो क्या होंगे? नेमिंग नाउन्स होंगे, नेमिंग वर्ड्स होंगे. नेक्स्ट इज सैम्स टीचर मिस्टर खालिद इज देयर टू. सैम और मिस्टर खालिद क्या है? दे आर ऑल्सो नेमिंग वर्ड्स. नेक्स्ट इज मिस्टर खालिद शोज अहमद एंड माजिद हाउ टू कैच फिश. इट इज ऑल्सो मिस्टर अहमद, माजिद और खालिद जो है वो क्या हो गए? नेमिंग वर्ड्स. सो नेक्स्ट इज listening and speaking. Read the list of the words given below and repeat them aloud. Note the vowel sound. All, fall. ठीक है? So what you have to do, you have to like note the vowel sound. Here it is written. Wait. So it is written over there. You have to see from here. All, fall, call. See like this. ठीक है? ये लिखा हुआ. All, fall, call, tall, tell, well, bell, fell, ill, pill, till, will, pull, bull, full. ठीक है? So look at the words in the box given below. Which words can go in the list above? Which words cannot go into the list? ठीक है जी? So take care. Note the vowel sound. Words that cannot go to the list are hell, dull, balloon, feel, mile. ठीक है जी. So there are the words vowel. Okay, I will ask you to kindly leave this part so we can do this on in your like class. You cannot do this all alone on this lecture. So let's, you know what are vowels? Vowels are 5, you know, five vowels: a, e, I, o, u. So let's do the remaining part from in your class. So this is all for today. Take care of yourself, learn these things, write whatever you have to write on your notebooks, write whatever I have asked you to write on your books. So take care, see you tomorrow. This is the end of your chapter. Allah Hafiz.